Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the best sites to make money online. Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing great. And before I get into the topic of this video, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel, and I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the first website I'm going to be talking about is Teespring. So what Teespring is a website that allows you to create your own design and sell that on merchandise such as t-shirts, coffee mugs, sweatshirts, towels, any other kind of accessory that they have available on that site. You can create your own design and sell it to people online. And the good thing about Teespring is that you don't have to worry about any inventory. Everything is made to order. So when somebody comes to the site and they buy a product that you created, it's made and it's shipped out to the customer. So the second site that I want to talk about is Upwork. So what Upwork is a freelance website that you can offer your services to people online. Whether it's writing, graphic design, marketing, web development, they have all kinds of services that you can provide and offer to people online. And it's free to sign up. So the next website I want to talk about is Shutterstock. So this is for those of you who are photographers and who like to make money off of the pictures that you take. So what you do is you sign up to be a contributor, and the way that it works is Shutterstock pays you a percentage every time somebody buys your photo on their site. So this is a great way to make passive income because you can sell the same photo to multiple people and make a passive income off of this. The next website I want to talk about is through Fiverr. So Fiverr is similar to Upwork. It's another freelance website that allows you to offer your services to people who are looking to buy a particular service. You set your price and you set up your profile and define what you do for your gigs. So the only difference between Fiverr and Upwork is that Fiverr people come to you as opposed to you competing for other people's services through Upwork. Another great website to make money online is through Teachable. So what Teachable is you're pretty much creating your own online course and you're selling that course to anybody who's interested in learning what you have to teach. Whatever skill that you have, you can monetize it and sell it and set the price that you choose. Now, all of these are a great way to make money online, but if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and you guys can go check that out. Hope you guys learned something out of this video, and if you guys learned something new, don't forget to comment and leave a like. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.